Hello guys, welcome to today's DIY on facial scrub. So you want to steam your face with warm water and then you gently massage it. This process is to open up the pores and then you start measuring. I'm using my half tablespoon and I'm measuring out 2 tablespoons from the sugar and then 1 tablespoon from the honey. It has exfoliating properties which is used to eliminate dead skin on your face, and then it clears eczema and then acne. So now you want to gently mix together. It has to be mixed thoroughly. The mixture of honey, sugar and lime, it helps to lighten your skin and then makes it smooth. Now you add a pinch of your lime juice, don't make it too much. For those with sensitive skin, you can make use of brown sugar. Always run a test on your skin before applying it onto your face for those with sensitive skin. So you continue to mix thoroughly your sugar, your lime and then your honey. You make sure it drips like this, and then once you're done, you start your application process. So you have to target your key areas underneath your eye, your forehead, your neck area as well. As you apply it onto your skin, you're gently massaging your face as well. Gently massaging your face. So your honey, sugar and lime scrub makes your skin soft, especially your face. And then it helps with your dark spot. It's advisable to scrub your face twice every week, but for those with sensitive skin, I recommend that you scrub your face once, especially if you want to use this particular scrub with lime in it, as direct application of lime to some sensitive skin can be harsh on it, so you don't want to overdo it. Just once a week is enough. It'll clear out your dark spots, give you this soft skin and make your skin, especially your face, look very nice. So when you're done with the application on your face, you have to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you apply your lime onto the face. But for those with sensitive skin, you can always skip this part. Since you've applied the lime in the mixture, you don't have to do this if you have a sensitive skin. So after the application of the lime onto your face, then you want to go and wash it off. You wash first with warm water and then you wash again with your soap. So you pat dry and then you apply your serum or your moisturizer onto your face. So you can repeat once a week, twice a week as your face demands. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.